How to add a number to WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add a number on WhatsApp. So let's begin. So it is very easy to add a number on WhatsApp. So what you're going to do first is to open the contacts app of your phone. So on iPhone, you may search for contacts, or you may also click on this icon right here, which is the dial icon, and then make sure to click on contacts on the bottom mid of your screen. And here, simply add a contact by clicking on the plus button on the upper right corner, and then add their name, their last name, their phone number, and etc. And then make sure to click on done once you are done. And now, moving on with the next part. So you should make sure to go to your settings, scroll down and look for WhatsApp. So you may see WhatsApp on the bottom of the page on settings. And then you should also make sure to turn on the contacts right here. So make sure to click on this toggle button on the rightmost part of contacts. And then once you open WhatsApp, you may now see all of your contacts, including the added new number. So that's it. That's how you can add a number to WhatsApp. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Also, you may search for help on WhatsApp.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.